welcome back to my channel today. So I am bringing you guys another FabFitFun unboxing. So this is the winter box. FabFitFun, for those of you who don't know what it is a every 3-month subscription. You get a box. So you get one for fall, you get one for winter, you get one for spring, and you get one for summer. You get to customize your box a little bit. They give you a couple options to choose from as far as what items you want, and then they put a couple other items in there that is just the base what everybody else gets, but you can customize some of the items for you. Go ahead and open this up. So inside the box is pink inside, which is super cute. And then they always give you like a little magazine about FabFitFun. You do some other things to read about, and then it will also tell you how much each item in your box is. So this box retails for $49.99. Get over $200 worth of products in the box. In the box, you will always get a HelloFresh 9 free meal gift card. Also in your FabFitFun box, they will give you a little code to give to a friend so they can get $15 off of their first box. Really excited. I see a couple fun things in here already. So the first thing I'm opening up is from Dry Bar, and it's Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangular Spray for your hair. Sorry if it's glaring. I'm going to try to... There you go. So that's really exciting. I'm always looking for hair stuff. So next thing we have is Cuccio Smatology. I don't know, I'll just show you guys what it says. It's a Epsom salt hand and body wash. So that's it's in a nice cute little blue bottle. Next I have is Karuna face mask. I've heard really good things about these face masks, so I'm excited to try those out. You get 7 masks in here. You get a age-defying mask, a antioxidant mask, a brightening mask, a clarifying mask, an exfoliating mask, and a hydrating mask, and then you get a renewal eye mask. So that's really fun. There feels like there's more than 7 in here. There might be just 7 in here. Anyway, so I will keep you guys up to date on those those masks. Next thing I have here is a color switch, and this is for this is an instant brush cleaner. So like if you're going along doing your makeup and you have a dirty brush, you just take your brush and swirl it in this, and it will just clean your brushes instantly. So I'm really excited to see how that works, because I'm always using an instant dry instant brush cleaner spray. So that is, that'd be really interesting. The next thing I have is the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. I am probably going to do a review on this palette itself, but the packaging is really cute. It comes in a little card case. And then this, ooh, the filament came out. So this is a really fun eyeshadow palette. I feel like this is a really fun palette for this summer and the fall as well. Banana pudding sounds really good right now. The next thing I have here is an Erno Lazio, probably saying that name wrong, Exfoliate and Detox Pore Clay Mask. And I really like pore cleansing mask, just because I have enlarged pores. Next thing I have is a makeup eraser, and I've seen these but I've never actually used one, and it's just like a cloth thing. Yeah, it's like a cloth, and you just get it wet and it removes your makeup, so that's kind of fun. I'm gonna roll that back up for now. And the last thing that I got is a big blanket here. This is one of the items that I customized. This blanket, it's really soft. This is cruelty free. I customized the masks, the color switch brush cleaner, Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. So outside of what I customized, I got 4 different items. So one of which is the HelloFresh card that you'll always get, and then the makeup towel, the Epsom salt body wash, and then the Prep and Rally Detangular. All right, to start off with this blanket right here, which is the Unhide Lil Marshmallow blanket, retails for $65. So that already exceeds the price for this box, which is really cool. All right, so the proof is in the pudding eyeshadow palette, retails for $35. So we've already hit $100 with just the blanket and the eyeshadow palette. So that's already doubled the price of the box. So the Color Switch Instant Brush Cleaner retails for $16.99. So we're already up to like $117 with just the blanket, the eyeshadow palette, and this brush cleaner. The makeup eraser retails for $20. The Dry Bar Prep Rally Detangular Spray retails for $23. So I don't know where we are now, but we're what, like 140, 150 something. The Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash retails for $39.95. The Karuna Face Masks retails for $42. And you get, I think you get about 7 masks in here. Cleansing Masks retails for $48. That's super fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Leave in the comments down below if you want me to continue to do my FabFitFun unboxings, because they're super fun for me, and it's fun to just see how much all these products add up to when I'm only spending $50 for this whole box and I'm getting way worth my money's worth. If you guys enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up, and like I said, comment down below. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And if you are subscribed but want to be notified every time I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, go ahead and click that post notification bell down there and you'll be notified. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.